Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Excuse my mask, but because of COVID-19, we gotta wear them. I don't have a head shield on, face shield, because I'm not doing any drilling. There's no splatter. I'm just basically doing this video to show you how amazing Snap-on Smile is. For this case, it's a cosmetic appliance, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to the patient. Okay, so the patient obviously doesn't have a mask on, because they have a mask on, we can't do their dentistry, right?
Right.
Okay, so you came in to us for the Snap-on Smile.
Yes.
Why?
Just to make my teeth look prettier, nicer smile.
And what is it you didn't like about your teeth?
Yellow.
Yeah, but they're pretty straight.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna zoom in and we're gonna take a look at your
Okay.
teeth. So she's got really straight teeth. Go ahead and open for me, but they're yellow, and Zoom would not get them as white as this Snap-on Smile will. So you're probably wondering why she doesn't whiten. She could whiten, but it's just not, she's not gonna get the desired shade that she wants. So we decided to go with Snap-on just on the top. She may get a lower one, but right now we're just doing the top. So here's the appliance. It's gorgeous. Now she doesn't have any missing teeth, so this is strictly a cosmetic appliance. We did take digital impressions, no more goop in your mouth, and fabricated the appliance to fit over her digital impression. So that's really important. Now you can eat and drink with these, unlike the Internet Cosmetic Appliances. This is one of my favorite ones I've done. It looks so natural and it fits her gum line perfectly. A lot of people ask me, is it going to cause issues with the gums? Absolutely not, because it passively rests on. How does it fit? It fits by retention. There's no glue, there's no adhesives. Watch how this snaps in. So we are going to go ahead and place it in. It fits directly over her existing teeth. You can see how we lengthen the teeth, we've whitened teeth. Look at the difference in color. It's incredible. She has not seen this. Now listen for the snap. I love the snap. Bite down, smile, check it out, folks. And it fits perfectly. Let's get a really close up here and show you how perfectly it fits over the gum line. You can't even tell. Looks like she just had veneers done. How does it feel?
Good. That's
All right.
very good.
All right, so you haven't seen it.
No.
So are you nervous?
A little bit excited.
It looks really good. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Turn the mirror over.
Oh, wow. Wow. I'm gonna have to do the bottom ones.
Yeah.
I love it.
I know, it looks so natural.
Yes.
It
Wow.
really does. Look at me, smile big. It looks so natural. So, how's your bite feel?
Good.
Okay, so we did it. You do have to adjust the bite. So, all you people think you get in these Internet appliances are going to fit. They're not. If you don't adjust this bite, you can end up with joint issues and everything else. And with these, is it snug?
Yes, it's snug.
Okay, I want you to go ahead and try to take it out.
Okay.
I'm going to show you guys how retentive this is.
Uh-huh.
Remember, you're not going to take it out like that. You're going to squeeze.
Oh.
Squeeze the side. We're going to have to show her how to take this out. Watch. You want to take your fingers and you're going to squeeze the sides. And it's going to come up like this. And then you squeeze here. And it comes out. This thing fits amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it fits in again. Just stay open. I want you to listen for the snap. Huh? Incredible. So these fit just like no other. So what's the first thing you're going to do? You know you can eat and drink with these.
Yes.
Do we have anything she can eat with? I actually do. Stay right there. Stay right there. Okay, so we got peanut brittle, not peanut brittle, don't eat peanut brittle. Peanut butter pretzels, okay? These are not soft.
No.
I want to prove that you can eat with these, and it's not just soft foods. These appliances are incredibly sturdy. So you like peanut butter? You're not allergic to peanuts?
No.
Okay, go ahead and take one.
Wow.
You're impressed, aren't
Mm-hmm.
you? Is anything moving?
No.
Anything falling out?
Nope. Nope.
Have another one.
I'm okay.
They're so good.
Mm-hmm.
So you can eat,
Yeah.
you can drink. Am I right? Are you surprised?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, feels
Wow.
good. And you can taste your food because it's not covering the roof of your mouth. Okay. All right, so I'm Dr. Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Subscribe and see you on the next video.